so that's the problem.
So valve wasn't opening, basically. Is this bridge fucked? Let's check he's not cracked or anything, because maybe it's been hit, but it should be okay.
Yeah,
Looks okay. Okay. The problem is that broke up? Hang on.
maybe it was just too loose.
Might be, yeah. Fucked. And I mean, so lift that off. Then bridgings. He's going back on ings. And then, whoop, don't you fucking fall out, you little cunt. And then that goes back on there. Like this. That goes back in there.
So tappet needs adjusting.
I just want to make sure I put that bolt in the right.